Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set web content restriction and limit adult websites on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Next, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap on Content Restrictions. Now enter the screen time passcode. On the next screen, go down and tap on Web Content. In here, to limit adult websites, you would select Limit Adult Websites. And then in the Always Allow section, you can add in an exception. So you can tap on Add Website if you want to add in an exception. Or you can tap on Restricted or Allow Websites. So you can choose which websites are allowed. Or you can simply say Limit Adult Websites and say Limit access to many adult websites automatically. Specific allowed and restricted websites can be added below. So if you want to restrict certain website, you can put it in here. And that's it. And you can also delete it as well. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.